Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today I want to make a tutorial about Filmora, how to we are editing the video and inside video also there is inside video a background. So example now I will creating like what I content this what we calling like religious. I have this like ayah kursi. Alright, and now we are I'm trying to make it beautiful looking. So in this video I will keep it the background inside of this video also. So I just download it already. Normally I download from the Fexel.com. Alright, so here now I download this waterfall already. So I'm going to import it this waterfall. After going into it, so what I'm going to do, I will drag it here. Now, already drag it. There is no no. Okay, it's already drag it. Maybe have audio, just detect this audio. If you don't want to this audio, so just delete it. So now, how this background should be in the back and this one should be in the front. Alright, you can keep it up here and this is should be done. So what we are going to do, we will make smaller, or what you are going to do, go to cropping option, and then from cropping option, okay, alright, so I will just make smaller here and then keep this one little big, and now let us play.
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا
Okay, it will
تأخذه
be happen like
سنة
this. So this
ولا
background, because
نوم.
I make zoom not properly looking. So I just come back. What they have, this is the one. Same story.
له
No back. Okay, guys, you can make it this one like bigger. All right, and you can make like this also. It's never mind. So it will become looking weird.
الله لا إله.
Alright, if you want to another background, so you can just download it again. We type this here, nature, or we have another already here. So I just no need to do anything, just going to download it, and then also I'm going to download it. So now, okay, let's again import this project here to our new downloaded. So just re-import again, bro. Okay, guys. So now this background, this is the before. Now this second background.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي.
Alright, guys. So this second background is too long. If you like to add another background, what you are going to do, just cut this one and remove it and do another, add another background. Alright. So if you want to keep randomly, here keep, here will be add again. So you can do like this. Alright, so you can make shortcut smaller and then drag it off. Same what they have. Okay. So now this one is ready. So if you want to going to change your audio also, uh, what we are calling like this audio of Quran, I'll make it bigger. And then let us try again.
الله لا إله
Uh,
إلا هو الحي القيوم لا
Alright. So guys, now this is now we calling ayah kursi. If you want to again make it second, okay, I will keep it something logo. Please subscribe to my channel. I have it here ready. Where is that? This one. Always I bring, huh? To remind the viewer to subscribe to my channel. Example. So what you are going to do, just keep it smaller, keep it left or right, and here, keep it here is okay. And just make motion going like this. Yes, so it's working fine. I will keep it also on the last. I'll keep it also top. I'll keep it also on the last. I'll also have top. So it will not disturbing the contents.
السماوات
Example now.
وما في الأرض من ذا الذي
Alright,
يشفع
like that.
عنده
Okay guys, now if you want to make big also this, do remember just make width manually, but this will be looking weird. Huh? If you like make proper, you make from corner here. Okay, this one already pull. This one still not pull. Okay guys, now this ready to export it and you are ready to upload it to your channel. That to make sure that this audio not copyright from someone else. So otherwise you're reading yourself or you're talking yourself like me. So it will not get the copyright. So now this is almost ready, and then okay, now it's almost ready. This is one ayat kursi, and then how many minutes? 1 minute only. So what I'm going to do, I will just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So it become 4 minutes. Okay guys, let us make example. I want to trying to make this one motion in the background.
الله لا إله إلا هو
Also
له
this one I'll
ما
make
في
motion.
السماء
Also this one I'll make motion. Also this one I'll make motion. Also this I'll make motion. Also this I'll make motion. Okay, now it's ready. So now this no project I'm going to import it. I'm going to import it guys. So let us see. Thank you very much.